Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning, and today I'm excited to share with you my experience with the Data Science course, Complete Data Science Bootcamp on Udemy. This course promises to be a comprehensive guide to data science, and I'm here to see if it lives up to the hype. Course objectives. This course is designed for anyone who wants to gain a strong foundation in data science, whether you're a beginner or someone with some prior experience. The objectives of the course include learning how to collect, analyze, and visualize data using various tools and techniques. The course also promises to cover topics such as data storytelling, machine learning, and data ethics. Targeted audience. If you're someone who is interested in learning how to work with data and uncover insights that can drive decision-making, then this course is for you. It's also a great choice for those who are looking to build a career in data science or a related field. So, whether you're a student, a professional looking to upskill, or someone who is simply curious about data science, this course has something to offer you. Course content. Let's dive into the course content and see what it has to offer. The course is divided into several modules, each covering a different aspect of data science. Module 1. Introduction to Data Science. In this module, you'll get an overview of what data science is and why it's important. You'll learn about the different roles within the field and the various tools and techniques used in data science. Module 2. Data Collection and Preparation. Here, you'll learn how to collect and prepare data for analysis. You'll explore different data sources and techniques for cleaning and preprocessing data. Module 3. Data Analysis with Python. This module focuses on using Python for data analysis. You'll learn how to use libraries such as Pandas and NumPy to manipulate and analyze data. You'll also learn about statistical analysis and how to visualize data using libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Module 4. Machine Learning with Python. In this module, you'll dive into machine learning and learn how to build predictive models. You'll explore different machine learning algorithms and techniques, and apply them to real-world datasets. Module 5. Data Storytelling. Data storytelling is an essential skill for data scientists, and in this module, you'll learn how to effectively communicate your findings to stakeholders. You'll learn how to create compelling narratives and visualizations that clearly convey your insights. Module 6. Data Ethics. Data Science raises important ethical considerations, and in this module, you'll explore these issues. You'll learn about data privacy, bias in data and algorithms, and the importance of responsible data practices. Overall impressions. After going through the course, I can say that it delivers on its promise of being a comprehensive data science bootcamp. The course content is well structured and covers a wide range of topics, from the basics of data science to more advanced topics like machine learning and data storytelling. The lectures are engaging and easy to follow, and the Quizzes and assignments help reinforce the concepts learned. The instructor is experienced.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.